Assalamualaikum and hi students. So we continue our lesson about this last slide, slide number 21, chapter number 2. So this is about tolerance curve may be broad for many organisms able to exist within a wide range of values of particular environment factors such as salinity, temperature and humidity. Again, this is very important topic, okay guys, so please do remember particular environmental factors, for example salinity, temperature and humidity. For example, here is blue crab, Calinectus sapidus, can survive in marine to fresh water. Some also for siakap or lettuce carifol and the mangrove crabs, okay, Scylla serrata. So tolerance ranges are usually narrow for juveniles of many species. Okay, as you can see from here, this is actually about how this is actually about nursery ground of function for the udang putih. Okay, as you can see from, okay, please do remember this figure, very important. Please do remember each step of this figure. Okay, we start from here, from the left hand side one. But before I proceed, please take note, it's very important component here. For the first one area from the left hand side one, this is for offshore distance, okay, about 0 kilometer water depth. Offshore distance water depth about 0 kilometer, but and of course the duration is actually from 1 to 5 to 4 meter. Okay. And then next one is 6 kilometer, 5 to 10 meter, and the last one, second last one 12 kilometer, about 20 meter, and the last one 25 kilometer. Okay, as you can see from here, from your left hand side here, for offshore distant water depth 0 kilometer, which is 1.5 to 4 meter depth of water here. This area only juveniles from 3 to 4 months can be living here, okay, can adapt here, okay, because they are very small, they're still under juvenile condition. So this offshore for this water depth is actually suitable for them to live here because they are very still small. And of course, as you can see from here, they are actually under nursery ground, okay. And of course also here they are actually a mangrove, okay, so that they can hide themselves from the predators. And of course there are a lot of they can feed a lot of plankton here for them to feed and grow for their feeding materials, source, okay, material. Okay, so next, for maturation ground, I told before 2 to 3 months age of the udang putih age, within 6 kilometer, 5 to 10 meter water depth. So this is actually for those sub-adult, okay, juvenile, they become sub-adult, okay. And then move on into next last area. This is spawning ground. This is 5 and above months age of the prawn, and within 20 meter and above, okay. So after this, during this period of time, they actually spawning ground for the udang putih to reproduce. They will mate and they will produce an egg, and larvae will swimming, okay, again back to maturation ground, and lastly they will arrive nursery ground for them to grow in this type of area, and the process will be continue like that. Okay, next one is actually about another example for siakap. I think you may read yourself because they are actually the same explanation as udang putih just now. Okay, tolerance ranges are not fixed. Okay, this is very important component information that you should understand and know about that. Number one, tolerance ranges are not fixed. As season and condition change, individual may acclimate by shifting their tolerance ranges. Okay, as example just now, fish in the pond water temperature ranges from summer to winter. As water warms, the tolerance for warm waters increase, but for cold water decrease. All these shifts takes place within the adaptive physiological functional limits. This short-term response to changing environment is termed as acclimatization or adaptation. Okay. So this is the figure number 5.2 about seasonal shift in tolerance ranges. As you can see from here, the left one low and until to high. Okay, and this is about the tolerance process. I think you can read yourself. So adaptation, the set of characteristics into biochemical, biophysiological, morphological and behavioral that enables an organism to maximize its fitness under one set of environmental conditions. Okay, this is about factor interaction. We continue to the next lecture. See you.